Right after X-band radar, so we are here in backup ECDIS. ECDIS is what we call the electronic chart display information system. So as you can see here on the right side, we have those customization, legend, tab tools, route information. But what we can do today is maintenance for self-test. So you proceed here, maintenance, self-test, and then as you can see, there's a program, the disk, the drive, the safety net, the random access memory, and the local area connection of this service brand, the Highlander. So there's an error because we don't have this internet connection that is in compilation with this backup ECDIS. So error. So as you can see, this ECDIS, the program is passed. So meaning to say the result is functional. So, and if you want to export some information, you need to put the USB drive here, and then you click the export. Then right after that, since we are only undergoing the self-test, so close.
Okay.